Let's make the famous ABC juice. Follow for more healthy juicing ideas. The A is for apple, which are naturally sweet and rich in antioxidants. The B for beetroot, which support blood flow and overall health. The C are for carrots, which are packed with vitamin A and great for our eyes and skin. Together, this combination is refreshing, naturally sweet, and full of nutrients. So I start. After washing, I prep all the ingredients. Look at that vibrant red color of the beetroots. For this recipe, I had 4 beetroots, 8 carrots, and 4 apples. Starting with the apple and then the carrots and finally the beetroot. Stay tuned and watch how the color comes out. And I don't waste the pulp. I use it in soups or bakings because it's full of fibers. If you have not tried the ABC juice yet, you definitely should. Follow for more simple juicing ideas. Look at that color. Wow, this is where all comes together. Time for the taste. This is so good.